स्वागत. सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व NN पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
Now we are done with this debate. You can move.
Family and friends, and we give the times for our family and friend also.
But in online shopping, we can payment online.
There is a cyber attack on our phone, and there is a issue of cyber security also.
But nowadays technology is advanced. We can complete the app from which we buy things.
It consume a day and waste our time also.
But we can get the product very nicely with the open delivery.
No, it take a times for the delivery, and if we want the instant something, we can't buy.
In online shopping, we have many coupon cards, discount cards, and many offers, and save money.
दोन मिनिटाचीच ठेवा. बस कट केलं तरी चालेल. 1-1.5 मिनिट जास्त स्पेस गेला की थांबव.
Time, and it's a waste of our time.
It is not our waste time because many are old ages men are ordering by phone and they get order by home immediately.
In offline shopping, the old people can't afford the online shopping. Many our grandparents are not using the phone very quickly. They have to go to buy the something offline only.
But they can get help from their family members.
They have to get the help, but they can't go. They are sitting only home.
We cannot give more attention to the change, which is only change up to 10%. We should give attention to the more effects, and the effects are always harmful of the firecrackers. It is not good for the environment. It makes sounds up to 110 decibels, which is totally harmful to each and every person, as well as the pregnant lady and the unborn child. It can even harm for the unborn child. For example, their organs are get harmed due to the voice. And also that the smoke which comes out from the firecrackers is not good for the unborn baby as well as for the pregnant lady.
But people can't use the firework daily. Only in the vacation they are using.
As we know that the pollution is getting increased day by day. So if we can make a little change by not using the firecrackers, then what's wrong in that?
But
Man, start the time. Fireworks are not good for health, as it is very harmful for the environment, as well as the children and adults and also old people.
But it is entertaining us.
But it has a very bad effect on our environment and our animals.
सर कनेक्ट झाला आहे
In fireworks, harmful elements are used, for example, lithium, barium, arsenic, and which are not totally good for the health. It can even cause harm to the people who are affected with heart disease.
It is also not good for the pregnant people or pregnant women who are with child in the womb.
But in nowadays, fireworks has been changed daily. Only in the Diwali vacations and all they were using.
If it is used for a one day also, then to it effects for the all year, okay?
Then it also has to be clear by the government.
But in one day, it affects all the earth around us, our people and our animals.
What? Speak again.
But in one day, it affects all our earth surroundings and our plants and animals.
Next question.
If you are telling that it should be approved by the government, then you can write a letter to it. And it's not necessary that everything should be done by the government. Government is not so free, okay? They have a lot of work. And but if as a human, if we can make a change in the environment, as we are part of the environment, then what's wrong in that?
You should always not support firecrackers and pollution. It affects so much on a human body.
Last 30 seconds are remaining. I know firecrackers help us to enjoy festivals or any occasion, but any festival or occasion can be enjoyed in many different ways, like meeting our family members, enjoying.
So 7th standard group B is taking head and group A, that is 8th standard, is taking tail. Ma'am, you can toss the coin. Head. Now group B will take the decision what you want to take, that is online shopping or offline shopping.
We want online shopping.
Online shopping. So group A will get offline shopping. Ready? You will get only 5 minutes to speak. Within 5 minutes you have to answer them, reply or question them back. Okay? Ready? Ma'am, start the time.
We can buy much items while sitting at home without compromising. We will not compromise because we had not a limited space like carry bags in offline shopping.
In online shopping, you have purchased something, there is a problem of delivery. The products are come in 7 to 5 days. It take a time. In offline shopping, the products are come instantly and fast.
But by one day delivery or by in 30-minute delivery, we can place our order in very lesser time.
We have
जबाबदार आहे आणि माझ्या सहकारी आहेत पूजा गजबे, साक्षी पाटील, वैष्णवी कोळी आणि साक्षी बरई. माझं नाव प्राची भावळे, माझ्यासोबत मोहन, प्रियंका आणि हर्षला. आमचा विषय आहे वाढत्या शिक्षणाला बेरोजगारी जबाबदार नाहीये. वाढत्या शिक्षणाला वाढत्या बेरोजगारीला शिक्षण जबाबदार नाहीये हे आम्ही प्रूव्ह करणार आहोत. आमच्या मते वाढत्या बेरोजगारीला आजची शिक्षण बेरोजगारी आहे, कारण आज आपल्या भारतात 44.8 मिलियन लोक बेरोजगार आहेत. तुम्ही यामागचं कारण सांगू शकता का?
हाँ, मैं बोल सकता हूँ, क्योंकि है ना आजकल की पहले के टाइम पे क्या था कि 19th सेंचुरी में कि एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं था, लेकिन आज के टाइम पे 21st सेंचुरी में ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड है. जैसे कि जब से ये ऑनलाइन सिस्टम और एजुकेशन सिस्टम हमारा क्वालिफाइड हुआ है आफ्टर 21 सेंचुरी, लेकिन इसमें कैसे कि आपने कैसे कहा कि 14 करोड़ की मतलब अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट्स वगैरह, लेकिन आजकल के मतलब जो अपने जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स वगैरह है वो अलग अलग योजनाएं बनाते हैं. जैसे G20 आपने देखा भी रिसेंटली आया हुआ है, तो मेरे हिसाब से जो G20 में अगर हमको काम करना रहेगा तो उसके लिए एजुकेशन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है.
बट फिर भी इतने अनएम्प्लॉयड क्यों है? अगर इतने आ रहे हैं देयर इज ऑफर एंड वी गेट फ्री डिलीवरी.
Free delivery are come with the bike and car. They smoke and pollute our air pollution, like, and environment get damaged.
But when we go to shop, the shopkeeper gives us a polythene or a plastic bag. From that also, the pollution is increasing.
In online shopping, the products also come in the plastic bag only.
But the same thing I am saying that in offline shopping also there is the pollution.
On offline shopping, we go to the shop and which substance we want, we can tell them, and we bargain something also, and our mind get we can also bargain, and our mindset also get also stable and satisfaction by bargaining the products.
But in online shopping there is much variety and the discounts are already taken to the product.
No.
Much items.
Yes, they can go outside and order much more items. That's the point.
In the festival, we can buy in a discount.
40 seconds left. 40 seconds.
In offline shopping, there is also discount, and if we want to shop something instantly for a birthday party and for wedding shops, we can take order and instantly we get our product.
But by going on shops one by one may be time and energy consuming.
Why we have to our energy store? We have to it is a good for health. We are walk to the store and our stamina will increase.
But it will be many time consuming because some people have much time. Some people do not have much time.
Online shopping also consume more time.
Okay, the debate has been completed.
ग्रंथ जो संस्कृत महाभारत और लिखे हुए उन्होंने वहाँ से चोरी करके फिर एजुकेशन सिस्टम अपने में बनाया गया उन्होंने.
हमारे देश में गुरुकुल कब से बैठा है और उन्होंने इतना अच्छा सिखाया. वो नेचर में बैठ के पेड़ के नीचे हमें सिखाया करते थे और अंग्रेजों को ये बात उनको जेलसी देती थी. इसलिए जॉन डी रॉकफेलर इंडिया में आए. उन्होंने $180 बिलियन डोनेट किया और बोला मुझे सोचने वाले नहीं चाहिए, मुझे काम करने वाले लोग चाहिए, मुझे सोचने वाले लोग नहीं चाहिए. तो ये यही करना चाहते हैं कि हम अपना क्वेश्चन ना पूछे, हम बस उनकी गुलामी करें. और यही वो लोग इंडिया में आके यही करके गए और हम लोग वही चीज फॉलो कर रहे हैं.
अगर अनएम्प्लॉय है वो ऐसा ही नहीं है कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम की वजह से अनएम्प्लॉय है. उनका अलग अलग रीज़न भी है. वो रीजंस बता सकते हैं आप?
Right now you can move. Please give a round of applause to them.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल सदैव आपल्यासोबत. रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल नेहमी पाहत रहा. लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.